MC Newell Hobbies with your hosts, Mike and Cheryl.
Well, I'm back. Did you miss me? Got my box full of cars. Pouring down rain outside. Still. Oh boy. So how's everybody been? You guys chatted up? If there's any in the chat? Like Mr. Rogers, gonna put on my racing jacket. It's the only one I got. It's Jeff Gordon. Used to be my favorite race car driver. Back when I was younger, they said I looked like Jeff Gordon. Didn't drive very fast. You guys are in for a treat today. Treat, I tell you. I'm going to do things that's going to blow your mind. Maybe. First, I'm going to get a video on there. So, let's see here. Whoop. Yeah. I'm going to turn that around because I know the other night when I put the video on, nobody could see it because the screen was off to the side. Well, now there's commercials on there. Really can't from over here stop the commercial. It's not a touch screen. Might be able to see it. If not, no big deal. No big deal. I can skip it now if I'm over here. Skip. Dismiss. Won't be any sound in it. Bring a speaker out. So what you're going to get to see tonight. Well, let me start off by showing you my. I show you every time, but I'm going to show you this car again because I sure like it. It's the Aston Martin. It's got the gold trim. It's black with the gold trim and a little bit of white. Driver inside there. I'm going to drive that. Just take my hat off because I got, you won't believe this. You're not going to believe what I'm about to do. Oh boy. It's never been done. They said it couldn't be done, but I'm going to do it. Got this handkerchief because I could not find our blindfolds. I'm going to drive that car around. It's not going to be in ghost mode. It's going to be in Mikey mode. I'm going to drive it around whilst blindfolded. Yeah, that's right. Blindfolded. So, well, before I do that, I need to get the car set up on the track. Turn that on. See what one. I'm going to set it up for over there so you can actually see me. You'll notice my head not moving with the car because I won't know where the car is because I'm blindfolded. I'll be able to hear it because of my 6th or 7th sense. How many senses I got? No sense, probably. That's what my wife would say. Cheryl, you ain't got no sense. And this is what I'm blindfolded. I think it's a little, we'll need a little bit of sticky to the tires, so I'm going to put some sticky on it with my sticky stuff. And then, oh yeah, these tires are, I don't think I've I knocked the mirror off again. Doggone it. Oh, that's a long way down there. I like to have my mirrors in there so I can, even though I'm blindfolded, I can see where I'm going. So what I'm gonna do to make it even more trickier, I'm gonna turn the lights off. I'll leave the video rolling. Turn the lights off, blindfold. Crazy. Plumb crazy. Walk way over here to the light switches. No, I'm not leaving. Still here. Still here. Better put my blindfold on. Take it around there. Yeah, they said it couldn't be done. America's Got Talent said they couldn't. Nobody's ever done something like this. America's Got Talent, Canada's Got Talent, British talent show, Australian. Oh boy, I can't see nothing yet. I can't really breathe in this either. That might be neat. I'm gonna pass out because I can't see. Okay. Now I gotta find. Okay, I found my controller. I'm gonna sit down. Okay. All I'm gonna go by is sight and smell, except I can't smell. Okay. What's on the side of this? It's peeling off. My controller's come apart. All right. So I'm gonna go by sound. I'm gonna try not to drive like an old grandma. So here we go. Whoa, am I on the front stretch already? That was fast. Hey, I think I'm doing pretty good. I may have to race this way. I got ugly friends. I don't want to look at them. They're really ugly. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to leave my blindfold on and see if I can find that. Sounded like he was fairly close. Okay, can you guys see? Am I close? Attention! Hey, how long is this table? Where are you at? Where's the end of my table at? Boy, this is really hard. Boy. Alright, I'm gonna have to raise my blindfold. I don't know where it is. I still don't know where he is. Where is he? Hello? Well, shoot, he's right there. Right there in front of me. You darn thing. Alright, go back for a couple more laps like this. I think I'm doing pretty good. Because I can kind of hear it, so I know when to let off. Now I'm going to do something even more incredible that's never been done before. Lay that there. I'll come around and show you. I got my blindfold up so I can see. Okay, he's over there. You ain't gonna believe this. You ain't gonna believe what I'm about to do. Shoot. You won't believe this. Oh boy. If I can get them open. If I can get this open. That's right, I'm gonna chew gum No, I'm not gonna chew gum. He's gonna chew gum while he's racing. Can you believe that? No, I'm not gonna chew gum. I mean, that would be kind of tricky, racing and chewing gum at the same time. No! I've got these little boogers. Earplugs. I won't be able to hear the cars that's going around, so I'm just gonna go by my 8 cents. Whatever that one is. Is that hunger? No, that's not it. While you guys are watching this, I'll have my phone with me, so hopefully I can, if there's people there in the live chat, I can chat with you, but I'm gonna be in the town near here. My wife's uncle had cancer years ago and beat it. Well, every year they have a cancer survivors benefit for other cancer people, I guess. But I was invited as his guest for this, and we've did it before. And you get to hear stories from survivors of how bad their cancer was. And well, I can really hear myself talk with these earplugs in. And so I'll have my phone with me, try to chime in on the chat with you. It feels like it's live. I figured this out the other night. It feels like I'm live, but it's not live. But this way I could put the video out and then I could get on a live chat because it's a premiere. So kind of neat. I might be talking louder because I can't hear myself very well. All right. Put that in there deep. Oh, I might not be able to get that one out. All right. Put the blindfold back down. Something that's never been done before. Whew. I feel like a cowboy. Cowboys have never raced cars before. They race horses. All right. Hopefully it's still running. I can kind of hear it. Okay, I can't hear it. I don't know what happened. Where you at? Same spot. I can't hear it when it's right there. Crazy. Hey, on that other video, if you guys haven't watched the one I put out, I think it was last night. Last night or Monday night. Might have been Monday night, 2 nights ago. I said if I hit 15 thumbs up, I was going to get Cheryl out here to race me again. I'm at 14 as of right now. That's last I've checked. Need one more thumbs up, but Cheryl's going to have to come out. So I'll get back to running. I just go up, moving the throttle back and forth, up and down. Ah, I heard that. All right, that's enough of that silliness. Woo! Plus this blindfold is warm when you got it down over your mouth. All right, that was just part of what I was going to do tonight. Put my glasses on so I can actually see stuff. Oh, I'm out at the track. What did I get out here? Might just leave that on as a bandana. What I was going to do was, I don't know if you can see the train. That's a real train running. You can't see, that's too far away from the camera. Surely you can't see that. I was going to run this on, I think this was the one I ran the other night. Purple. the color changer. I'm gonna leave it on the color changer. It'll go as bright as it'll go. And I'm gonna put a couple of ghost cars out there to run against me. So let me dig those out. Oh, it's dark in here. Let me put a little light on the subject. Shed a little light on the subject. Well, this one's always a good one. You're always a good one. And I'll put you up. I got two of them. Okay, fix his brushes a little bit. It's gonna be the red Ferrari. It's gonna be a ghost car, red Ferrari. I'm gonna set him up, get him a little bit of speed. Come on around here. And this one's already set. That's the Mercedes AMG. Bring him around. Alright. Got him set. I'm going to be in the back because I'm going to run from over there again. I'm going to turn the light out. Colors are going to change. So it's going to look like different times of the day, maybe stormy, just like it's been here all day. We'll leave that light on until I get race started. So just like before, they're probably going to get a head start on me. Maybe. Way back, I'm almost way behind. I'm gaining on them. Okay, I'm in the back stretch now. Coming down the front stretch, gaining on the Mercedes. I'm right on the Mercedes now. I'm right around the Mercedes. Catch up. Where are you? He's running pretty good. I didn't think I had him that fast. I'm almost caught him. Okay, I'm right behind him. I'm on the front stretch behind him. Oh, for some reason my switch. I didn't hit the switch button. I should have. What day is it, Mike? Remember the camel? I'm sure a lot of you my age, close to my age, remember that. Oh, those guys wrecked each other. Oh, it got quiet in here all of a sudden. Oh, they're right on each other. Got a gain on both of them. Oh, they did it again. Right there at the same spot. Why am I still on that? I don't want to get on that. watching from all over the world, I'll leave him off for now. I've actually got family in Great Britain. I've got family in Australia. I don't know if I have family in Canada or not. My dad was born in Great Britain, in Abingdon, England, during World War II. My grandpa met my grandma over there, and that's where that all my family got started from my dad's side. Oop. Don't run over me, guys. Don't run over me. Okay, lights on the front seat. Maybe the next thing I'll put a little puck lights underneath the table. Yeah. What is he doing straight out down there? Oh, I didn't. Okay, push him around. Push him around. Push him off the thing. Push truck to the front stretch. Push truck to the front stretch. I was watching the wrong car. Cut me off. Jerk. Jerk. Well, I'm glad everybody showed up to watch, whoever's watching. If you would, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Seen something you've never seen before, a blindfolded racer, a blind racer, a deaf racer, and kind of racing in the dark with the bandana on. You see the guys wear bandana. I'll come around. Probably go ahead and end this so I get in and get cleaned up. I get a free meal, I ain't gonna miss it. Went to see Cheryl when she gets home from work. She works an hour later than I do, so she don't get home when I do. I think Bob's probably watching. Will, Jeff, Ryan, Philip, Ted, Jerry, Ronnie, Crazy Pete. I just made some of them. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 700. I was hoping to get to 700 subscribers before the month was out of June. Only got 4 more days, I think, or five or six more. I don't know. We're close. I need 15 more subscribers. All right. Having too much fun. Alright, I'm going to call it. Pull him around here, pull him off with the ran over. Maybe. Turn the light on so you can see it. Appreciate you for watching. Let me get you down off of there. Well, what are you guys way up there for? Oh yeah, so you can see the whole track. Here we go. Oh, it wasn't recording this whole time. No, just kidding. All right. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Catch you next week. Maybe this weekend. I don't know.